square tool post mounted on the lathe. See, these are all the parts. There are 10 parts in the square tool post. The first one is tool holder. This is tool holder, front and top view, and the second one is base plate, and third one is stud, and fourth is clamping nut, and fifth is handle, and sixth is knob, and seventh is the set screw and the grub screw, and there is a spring, and one more is the ball. The part number 1, tool holder, the front and top view is given. There is a square protrusion of 150 mm square is given. First I will go for the square. Construct a square and protrude up to 90 mm height, and there is a cutout in the middle 40, and this center one is 80, and there is a cutout in the bottom also. There is a circular cutout of 60 mm diameter. There is a one hole of dia 10, and there are 8 hole. I will go for new, click on tools, click on order, choose reference plane, extrude, click on top reference plane, square 150 by 150, rectangle by center, 150 height and 150 width. Then angle is 0 degree. Then there is a hole in the middle. There is a through hole that is 26 diameter. You draw the circle for that also, 26 diameter. Then show the dimensions. This is 26 and this is 150 by 150. Now close the sketch. You extrude one side, don't go for symmetric. Extrude at a height of 90 mm, then click finish, click fit. Now there is a cutout in the middle. I will go for cut, select front plane, then go to rectangle by 2 corners, click anywhere and draw one approximate rectangle, then give the dimensions. From the center to center it is given 80, then give half of that. Between these two is 40, 80 by 2. Then the bottom, from here to here it is 20, from here to here it is 20, and this height is 40, from here to here it is 40. There is a cutout and there is a fillet is there. Then go for fillet, give 5 mm radius, fillet radius, and click fillet. After this you go for mirror, choose the object to mirror. I want to cut both sides, click on mirror, Ctrl A, Ctrl C, copy that sketch, then close sketch, finish. Then select opposite cut, select opposite right plane, click fit, then Ctrl V to paste the sketch, move the sketch, then close sketch, again extrude, finish. 60 mm diameter cutout, click on the base plane, draw a circle of 60 mm diameter, then show reference, show the dimension, then close sketch. Upside it is a 10 mm, cut up to 10 mm distance, click finish. There will be a chamfer here, go for chamfer, 2 mm chamfer, click finish. See, there is a 2 mm 45 degree chamfer. Then one hole here, there is a one hole of dia 10, distance, click here, go to hole options, click simple hole, dia 10, and hole depth is 10, and there is a V bottom, click V bottom, click OK, and place the hole and distance between this center to this circle center is 52. then close sketch, move upwards, finish. We have to make a 8 holes of M16 at a distance of 60 mm each. Now we'll go for hole options, select top plane. Then to make these holes, I'll take a rectangle for 60 plus 60, 120 by 120. Go for a rectangle by center point, click the center, and the distance height is 120 by 120. Okay, and place it. Now we'll go for all options, then options. Now you choose the hole is M16 of 8 holes. Go to threaded, M16, and there is a through hole. Then go for thread portion, go to hole extent, through hole, then click OK and place the center for a 8 holes. See, there are 8 holes. Then close sketch, then return and move the downwards to complete the click finish. Now you save the file as a tool holder and go to materials and set as a mild steel and go to color manager, view color manager, can apply any your favorite color, then save and close. The second part, base plate, same, go for extrude, take 150 by 150 square and extrude up to the height of 34 minus 9, 25 height, and there is a one more extrude, this is a 9 mm, the of diameter 60, and there is a chamfer and there is a small countersink holes, and there is a 4 counter bore holes, and in the middle there is a M25 threaded. Go for extrude, select top plane, click rectangle by center, 150 by 150 and angle is 0 degree. So show dimension, then close sketch of height 34 minus 9, 25. Click finish. Go for one more extrude, select this plane, circle by center, diameter 60 and extrude, close sketch, that is 9 mm, then click finish. Now go for chamfer, there is a chamfer 3 mm, chamfer is given, that is 3, then finish. Now there is a hole in the center, go to hole option, select this plane and make M25 hole, threaded, M25 to hole extend, click OK, click in the middle, close sketch, then move downwards and finish. Now there is a counter bore here, counter bore, go for hole option only, select this top plane, this coincident plane, and options, here you choose counter bore. There is a depth of counter bore depth is 17 and this diameter is 17 and this diameter is 28. The top diameter is 28 and bottom hole diameter is 17 and this counter bore height is 17 mm. Okay, 28, 17 and this is 17. Now close, click OK and place anywhere, Then give the dimensions. From here to here it is 116 by 2, 58. This is 116 by 2, 58. From here to here also it is 58. Now I'll mirror the object on this line, then mirror the object on this line. There are 4 counter bore holes. Then close sketch, then click finish. See, there is a 4 counter sink holes. For that you will go for the hole option, select this top plane, this coincident plane. Then there is a PCD circle, pitch circle diameter. From the center there is a 104 is the pitch circle diameter. Then go to hole options, click simple hole only, diameter is 10, and can give hole depth is 1 mm, and click V bottom. See, there is a V bottom, and place 4 intersection points. Now click fit and show the dimensions. This is PCD 104 and this hole diameter is 10 mm. Then close sketch, move downwards, click finish. Now save as base plate, part number 2, base plate, and apply the material as MS. Cast steel or mild steel, any material you apply, and go for color manager. Can give your favorite color, choose color, then save. The part number 3, stud. The length of the stud is 160 and threaded portion M25 for a length of 60, and other side it is a 30 mm. See, there is a round portion, either you can go for extrude or revolve. I will choose revolve, go for a revolve, choose front plane, from the center take, overall length is 160, and click fit, and diameter is 25. Then half of the stick construct 12.5 radius. Now go for arc by 3 point to make some fillet, like give some radius approximately. Then extend that line, then trim off this. Now give the dimensions. This is 160 and this is 12.5. Then axis of revolution is this. Click close sketch, then 360, finish. Now to make a threaded portion, we'll go for hole, then thread, click OK, choose the cylinder to make thread, then click the end point to start the thread. This is the end point to start the thread. Now from here to here it is 60, then you can choose finite value from value is 60. I want thread length of 60 mm. Then other side, again this is the cylinder, this is the end, and again finite value, the length of the thread is 30 mm. Click finish. Now save as part number 3 stud. Finish. Add the material. Part number 4 clamping nut. Since this is the cylindrical object, we'll go for revolve protrusion. Select front plane. From the center there is a height of 46 by 46 and this is 46 by 2, 23. And this side is approximately, click it and close and give the dimensions. This overall length is from here to here it is 46, from here to here it is 26, here to here it is 62 by 2, 31. This is 62 by 2. Give distance between to the center of the circle is 46. Then trim. Trim these small lines. Now click this axis. This is my axis. Click close sketch. Oh, there is a radius here, then we'll give later. Click 360, finish. Now we'll go for wall option. Select this top plane. Make M threaded M25. Go to threaded, choose M25 to wall extend. Click OK. Place it in the center. Then close sketch, finish. Right. Now there is a threaded one more hole to insert the handle at a distance of 10 mm, deep 10 and M10. For that, I'll click on the front plane first. Go for wall options. Here you choose tangent plane. Tangent plane on for this tangent. Okay. You have to construct one tangent plane for 180 degree. 180 degree normal to this taper. Now go for M10 threaded M10. The distance of thread is 10 mm and there is a V bottom. Hole depth is 10 and V bottom. Click OK. Place here and give distance from this corner to center of this line is 10. Okay. Now close sketch, then click finish. Click finish. See, now there is a round here. Give the fillet now. Give the fillet of 8 radius, then click finish and save the part as clamping nut and apply material. Apply material. Color, you can choose color. Then save. The next part is part number 5, handle. The overall length is 115, M10, diameter is 10 and threaded at both the ends. Go for isometric part, click order, choose reference planes, then click extrude, select right plane, draw one circle for a diameter of 10 mm and close sketch and extrude at a length of 115. Then finish. Now we'll go for thread. Click OK. Select cylinder to which you make thread and select the end point. I start from this end point and here you'll choose, click finite value. Why? Because my thread portion is from only here to here. It is 115 minus 95, 20. here to is 10 and here to is 10. This value is 10 mm. The length from here to it is threaded portion is 10. Then click OK. See, threaded from this end it is again same finite value 10 mm. Then click finish. Here to it is 10. Now we'll go for chamfer. Click both the ends and make 1 mm chamfer. Then finish. Then save the model as a handle. Part number 5, handle. Part number 6, knob. Sphere of diameter 40, flat surface at a distance of 38, and M10 threaded portion and deep 10 mm. Go for revolve. Select front plane. First I'll draw at a distance of 18. Then I'll draw one more line for 20. Then I'll go for circle. You draw one circle for this, and from here to here you draw one line. Then you trim off these portions. Show the dimension first. See, this is radius 20 and this is 30 and this is 20, total 38. This height is 38 and this is 20. Now I'll go for axis. Choose axis, then click revolve, click for 360 degree, then finish. See, there is a flat surface in the bottom. Here you will make a threaded. Go to hole option, select coincident plane here. Now go for options, selection threaded, and M10 hole depth is 10 mm, and click V angle, and here you choose threaded portion also, it's a 10 mm. Then click OK and place it over the center. Click finish. Okay, there is a threaded hole of M10 with a V bottom. Now save the part number 6. Part number 7, set screw. See, the overall height is 75 and here it is 56. Here is 10 and this is M16. Now we'll go for order and select base reference plane. Go for revolve, choose front plane, start from the center. First I'll take overall height is 75, then from the center 10 by 2 5 mm, or you can draw approximate dimensions, then later you can give the dimensions for that. Like this outermost shape, give the dimensions. Go for small dimension. First you fix the height 75, 5 10 by 2, and this is 16 by 2, that is 8, and this is 22 by 2, 11, and the height wise this is 7, and from here to this end point is 56, and overall it is 75. Now click on axis of revolution, axis, then close, and the angle is 360 degree to revolve, then finish. First I'll go for top cutout. This cutout 14 by 14, this grass says 14 side and 14 width. I'll go for cutout first. Cut, select top plane at any distance. First you draw one line, then click connect end point to this circle, connect end point to this circle, right? Now you give the dimension is 14. This side should be 14 mm and height also 14 mm. it should be 14 mm. Then mirror the same to opposite side. Same thing for other side. From draw one line from here to here, then go to connect option. Connect option. Now give the distance is 14 again, 14, and mirror it. Mirror. Now we want to connect these endpoints. I'll go for include project sketch. I'll click on this, click OK, click on this curve. Now see the outermost curve is as a sketch. Now I'll trim off these portions. This. Now see, this complete sketch is a one sketch now. Now close sketch, move downwards. If you move downwards, it will cut inside. Here there is a one more step, it is a side step. You click on side step and show arrow mark outside, then it will cut at a distance of 14 from the top. It is a 14 mm length. We can click finish. See, this is the square. Now there is a threaded portion here. Okay, choose cylinder to make thread. Then choose the start point. Offset is 5 mm. Click OK. Then the remaining portion, its thread is created. Then save. Set screw. Part number 8, grub screw. Go for revolve. Since it is a circular, revolve. Select front plane. Overall height is 32 plus 12. Here it is 32 plus 12. (25/2). Downwards it is 12. Then this it is. Then close and connect. Give the dimensions. Go to small dimensions. This is 44. This is 16/2, and this is 25/2, and this side it is 32, and this side it is 12. Work by 3 point and extend that line. Then trim off this line. Then axis, this is the axis. Close. Enter 360°. Then finish. There is a cutout of 4 mm/2. Go to cutout option first. Select front plane. Draw one slot for 4 this is 2, this is 4. Then move to center. Okay, both side slot symmetric. Finish. Go for thread option. Select cylindrical. Start point, you can click here and give the offset. 32 minus 25, it is 7. 7 is the offset. Then M16. Finish. See here it is offset is 77 mm, and finish it. Then save to part number 8. Part number 9, spring. The height of the spring is 30 mm and the diameter is 7 mm and pitch is 4.5 and diameter of the spring is 2 mm. Go to sketch, select front plane, Draw one circle for a 2 mm diameter, 2, and for a height of spring height is 30. Then give the dimensions. This is 2, and from here to center to 3.5, and this length is 30. 3.5, 2, and height 30. Then close, finish the sketch. Now we'll go for helix. Now choose the sketch, select from sketch, and this circle is the sketch, and the axis is, this is the axis. Okay, then start point of the spring, either top end or bottom end. Here is the start point, and now you enter the pitch. Pitch is 4.5. Click next, preview, and finish. Now save the file as a spring. Part number 9, spring. The part number 10 is ball, 9 mm. Create one sphere of 9 mm diameter. Select front plane, 9 mm diameter, and draw one axis line and trim. Click 360 degree, finish, then save. Part number 10, ball, dia 9. After creating all the parts of the square tool post, assemble the base plate, then grub screws, then ball, then spring. After that we will insert the tool holder, then stud, afterwards locking nut, handle and knob, then finally set screw. First we will go for isometric assembly, then go to the parts library, select base plate, drag and drop, grub screw, drag and drop, rotate it, click this outermost corner line and click this line, automatically it will fit it. You can go for offset or go for pattern. Go to pattern, select the object you want to make a pattern, then click on the object, click then pattern holes, then start point, then finish. Right, now we want to insert the ball here, 9 mm dia ball. Then click on construction, show reference plane. First I'll click this flat reference to flat, then this vertical to, switch on this middle reference plane, vertical to this vertical plane to this vertical. Distance is, for this side it is -52, there to here this vertical plane. See, from here to here it is 52. See, if you look at from the front view, it's exactly on the location. For the spring also same thing, drag and drop, show construction display, reference planes, this flat to flat, okay, then this vertical to this vertical. On the ball, we have to fix the this vertical to this vertical, front plane to front plane. See, it's exactly fitted. Click front view, click front view. If you want to zoom it and check, see the spring exactly fitted on the ball. Then switch off the reference plane for the ball and spring both. I switch off this reference plane also. Insert next part is tool holder, drag and drop, click any one corner of this line to corner of this line, automatically it will fit it. Stud, rotate the stud and drag and drop, click the axis to axis and click this corner to this flat. Next part is clamping nut. Drag and drop the clamping nut, rotate it, click this outermost corner, not on the flat, outermost line, this circle, and rotate and fit to this line. Automatically it will fit it. Now click on the front view. Next one is to add the handle. Handle is the fifth one, is the handle. Drag and drop, click this hole to this hole. Before moving, click on front view. Now you can move and place the handle to the position. Then next one is knob. Drag and drop the knob again from hole to this hole to then drag and insert the knob to the position. Since it is a threaded portion. Now the remaining one is where to insert the set screws. There are 8 set screws. Now we'll go for part. Insert the set screw, drag and drop. We'll go for one set screw. If you want to give some distance, 5 mm or 10 mm gap, then this surface to this surface, okay. Okay, 10 mm gap, then close it. Then now we have to pattern the same thing for this. Go for pattern option, select the object you want to make pattern. This is the object, then click accept. Then on which part I want to make this pattern on tool holder, click on tool holder. Then again from where it will start from, where is the first point, this is the now, and which is the holes on these holes, and starting point is, which is the starting point, this is the starting point. Then click finish. Okay, now this is my tool post assembly. Okay, now save it as a tool post, then create drawing. Go to click right button, create drawing, choose OK, then only isometric view. You have to go to view wizards, click on view wizard. Here you choose front, top, isometric, OK, then place, adjust the scaling, either 2, 2.5, whatever it may be. I'll go for 2.5, adjust the scale, okay, and place it. Fit the screen. Now I delete the front view and go to cutting plane, and select the top view to make a section. Okay, then show the arrow upwards, then click fit, go to section, click on the section line and place the now remove the hatching for stud portion and nutted portion. Okay, now show the part list for the front view and place. Now go to click properties, author, you can delete the column for author. Okay, then if you want you can add the material column also. This is the final view. This is my can show. Click fit, then save as a tool post 2D square tool post assembly 2D drawing.